Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to set up recurring investment on Fidelity. So the first step is to log into your Fidelity account and go to this address here. So I'm going to leave it on the screen so you can see it. So you're going to go to fidelity.com/cash management/automatic investments, and then simply click on set up automatic investments on this blue button right here. And then what you'll have to do is click the set up automatic investment button, and it should take you to this address right here. So that should take you to digital.fidelity.com/ftgw/digital/auto-invest, where you'll see a list of your accounts. So as you can see here, you're gonna see all your accounts, and basically you'll have to simply set up an automatic transfer or investment by clicking on the link for the account you wish to set up automatic investment for. So from there, a dialog should appear with several options. So as you can see here, you have three different options. So you have a transfer funds from an external bank account. This will simply transfer the money from your bank account to your investment account, but we do not invest that cash upon transfer. B, transfer and then invest funds from an external bank. This is the one I do. It performs A and automatically invest it in a mutual fund for me, as you can see here. And then you have C, invest funds from core position. So this is a way to auto invest funds already sitting in your investment account. So I really recommend you go with the B option, transfer and then invest funds from an external bank account. And then basically here, you'll have to simply choose to transfer to which fund you want and the amount, as you can see here on the right side. And basically here, you have to choose the investment schedule. And basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.